Welcome to Fashion Forward, your one-stop destination for everything stylish and trendy. Today, we'll be exploring a footwear style that has become a must-have in every modern woman's wardrobe: stiletto heel mule sandals. If you're looking for the perfect combination of elegance and comfort, this video is for you. From designs and features to styling tips and shopping guides, we'll cover everything you need to know. So, let's get started. Stiletto heel mule sandals are a sophisticated type of open-back footwear that radiates elegance and style. Their most distinctive feature is the sleek high heel that adds a glamorous touch to any outfit. Key features: open-back design for easy slip-on wear, high stiletto heels that elevate your posture and confidence. Available in various designs: peep toe, pointed toe, embellished, or plain. Why women love them. Mule sandals are not just fashionable but also versatile. Whether you're heading to work or attending a party, these sandals provide a chic and confident look. Casual wear: pair your nude stiletto mule sandals with ripped jeans and a plain white shirt for an effortlessly chic look. Workwear: a classy combination would be black mule sandals paired with tailored trousers and a blazer for a sleek office outfit. Party look: add a touch of glamour to your party attire by wearing metallic or glittery mule sandals with a sequined dress. Cultural or fusion wear: try embroidered or embellished mule sandals with saris or Indo-Western outfits for a unique and modern twist. Comfortable and easy to wear due to their slip-on design. Elevates posture and adds height effortlessly. Versatility: suitable for both formal and casual occasions. Timeless and trendy, ensuring they never go out of style. Top brands for mules: some of the most sought-after brands for stiletto mule sandals include Jimmy Choo, Steve Madden, Charles & Keith, Aldo, Zara, and more. Trending designs: transparent heels for a modern look, animal prints to add a bold statement, pastel shades for a soft, feminine vibe, bright colors like red or electric blue to make an impact. Budget-friendly options: if you're on a budget, brands like H&M, Shine, and Mintra offer trendy and affordable mule sandals. Comfort is key. Always prioritize comfort. Make sure the heel height and design suit your needs. Perfect fit: a proper fit is crucial to maintain balance and prevent discomfort while walking. Material quality: invest in high-quality materials like leather or suede for better durability. Use a soft, damp cloth to clean the sandals. Store them in a dust bag or shoebox to prevent damage. Avoid excessive exposure to sunlight or water. Regularly polish leather mules to maintain their shine. Online shopping tips: always check the size chart and read customer reviews before buying online. Stick to trusted platforms to avoid counterfeits. Offline shopping tips: try the sandals in-store to ensure a perfect fit and comfort. Walk a few steps to check stability. Which stiletto mule design is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like